In this lecture, we will learn about private cloud. It is like public cloud, but private cloud is restrictive, has tighter control, and is protected by a firewall, and it is usually utilized by a single organization. Private cloud is sometimes called an on-premises cloud solution if the cloud resources are within the organization's data center. There is an emerging trend of using co-location providers, in which an organization's private cloud is set up inside third-party data centers. In this case, the organization, instead of having its own on-prem data center, is outsourcing to third-party data centers. Organizations with strong security and regulatory requirements, such as banks and healthcare providers, prefer private cloud, particularly total on-premises cloud solutions. Let's look into the pros and cons of private cloud. The first one listed here is security and control. One of the advantages is security and control. That being said, if regulatory needs are critical to controlling the environment, private cloud is recommended. In addition, as private clouds are behind firewalls, private cloud makes it easier to restrict access to valuable assets. An additional point is that since an outside public cloud provider does not control private cloud, there is no risk or a single point of failure if something goes wrong with the public cloud provider. This is a real plus, as in private cloud, essentially there is no dependency on a public cloud provider. All computing resources are under the control of the private cloud. With regards to its disadvantages, one of the disadvantages of private cloud is cost. The company owning the private cloud needs to bear the cost of the IT infrastructure of the data center and software. This cost factor makes private cloud less attractive than public cloud. Another disadvantage is that increasing scalability in private cloud is not as quick as in private cloud, because in private cloud, resources are in a limited capacity.